Here you go, guys. Just going to show you how to break down one of these Milwaukee battery packs to harvest the cells out of them. I've got this one. I've put it on the charger. Flashes green and red. Doesn't want to charge. Try to do the old jump start thing where you put another battery in line and try and get a bit of charge in it and then put it on the charger. But I'm pretty sure it's got a dead cell in there. I've had the same with a M12 as well, and what I found is this cell here was down to 0, where these ones are around 3.7. So you may be able to get this back up with a like a RC style charger, but in most of the time it doesn't work. So I'll just use these two cells and put them into this 18650 charger, and they will be good for a torch, and this one I'll toss. And once I get this pack open, we'll harvest the good ones out of it. But yeah, as you can see, they just got soldered tabs on them. And to get one of these big packs open, all you need is just one of these small Torx security bits. I'll show you, see what size that says. Magnet is strong with this one. That is a TX10 Weeder bit. So yeah, just got 4 screws on the bottom, and then that just all falls out, sort of thing. And then to get these off, I just use a flat blade screwdriver or scribe or something and pop them off. And yeah, just be careful you don't short anything out. It's probably best to do it outside, so if she starts to go, you can just ditch it. But yeah, so anyway, that's the short of it. These are the style torches you can run, which are bloody bright as the sun. This is just an eBay cheapie or AliExpress. That's a 3-cell jobby. I've got another 2-cell jobby, but yeah, making light out of a bad situation where you got some busted batteries. At least you get something out of it rather than just turfing the whole thing in the bin. So yeah, I thought I'll show you that. And yeah, give you some ideas, I guess. Yeah, it's been a bit of a struggle. It's been about 2 months of bloody wind on my days off, so got to get out there. But I'm just getting into these little jobs around the house, keeping myself busy. But yeah, hope you like the sort of videos that are coming through, and if you can do us a favour, like and subscribe, that would be great. Thanks.